carrots, and here I have milk. Here is the milk. You see, this is the milk that I'm going to use. Finally, I'm done with rolling them. You can see from here how beautiful they look with a touch of carrot. These are our chapatis. You can see, very beautiful and colorful at the same time. These are the chapatis that I've made. I never used water. I used milk and carrot. This is carrot chapati, and you use milk to knead your flour. See, or to knead your dough. You see how beautiful they look? They look so yummy, so colorful. Good morning, good people from this part of the world, to be precise, Kenya, East Africa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is TendeAfricavlogs. To the returning subscribers, thank you for always finding time to come watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. And those who are new here, consider to hit that subscription button, not forgetting the notification bell to alert you whenever I upload a new video. Good people, it is a bright morning and we have just come from the farm. But today I want us to prepare carrot chapati. Chapati is one of my favorite meal, and that's why I love preparing it. I want to cook carrot chapatis today, and I just want to take you along as I prepare it. Being a holiday today, we want to celebrate, and that's one way of celebrating in a special way. So comment, like, and share. Let me know where you're watching from. If it's your first time to come across this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, not forgetting the notification bell to alert you whenever I upload a new video. Always comment, like, and share, my people. Let's get to work then. Today I want us to prepare carrot chapatis, and I want to take you along how we do it. I'm using all the purpose baking flour. Here it is. Here is my flour. I have the sugar here. I have salt. I have my carrot. So I'll start by grating the carrot first. This way. I'm done. These are my carrots. As you can see, those are carrots. And here I have milk. Here is the milk. See, this is the milk that I'm going to use, and this is the salt. This is the sugar, and this is our baking flour. First, you have to put your carrots. Some do prefer blending them, but I didn't have a blender, so I used my grater. So I grated it. So you have to put the amount that you need. Mix it first. There we go. Add more. I have the sugar. Then you add your salt just to taste. Then you can start your kneading. Unaona hadi unga. Once it is mixed, you start kneading it. The milk has to be warm. See, good people, it is slowly hardening up. My dough is ready, good people. See, the dough is ready, so it is hard. I have to add a little bit oil and knead it. I need to leave it. I need to leave it to see it is here. I need to leave it like 15 to 20 minutes. Then I can come and start cooking my chapati. See you after 15 minutes. Good people, our 15 minutes are over. This is our dough. We have to start making our chapati. Around 8 of them. So if you have a kitchen brush, this works better, but if you don't have, you can use what you have. This is the stage that will determine your chapatis, whether they come out layered or not. That's the first one, then you go to the second one. You do this way. Repeat the same process for the whole chapatis, and before you start, this is the process that we shall repeat until we are done, good people. Finally, I'm done with rolling them. You can see from here how beautiful they look with a touch of carrot. So I need to roll them and put on the fire, and my pan is over here. I think it is heating. So it is now time to roll and put them on the fire. On to our first chapati. Oh, I'm not good in rolling anyway. Touching. This is how we roll. I'm not good in rolling anyway, so don't come for me. I don't know if my camera is clear to show you how beautiful this chapati looks with a touch of orange in it. Bear with my camera, good people. Okay. See how our chapati looks? It's already even, so I have to take it out of the fire. Let's see. My chapo is all even, huh? This one is ready. I need to take it out of the fire. See how beautiful how they look. Shika. Kuja nishikie hapa. I need also to place another one. As you can see here how it looks. While it is still wet, you see how it looks. You can see the particles, the carrot particles. Bear with my camera, good people. You can see the carrot particles. Yeah, over there. You can see the carrot particles. Yeah, over there. You can see these things. I don't know how they are called. I don't know if they are called bubbles or what. Once you see them bubbling up, you have to turn. See? And apply a little oil. Just have to apply a little oil on top. Basically, this is the process you have to repeat until you are done. Oh my god. If you are not careful, these chapati viewers will end up how do we call them? They will end up burning. But I'm lucky. Bear with the shapes. Bear with me about the shapes of the chapatis. This is our second last chapati. Woo! Finally, good people, this is our last chapo that I'm rolling. There we go. These are the chapatis that I've made. I never used water. I used milk and carrot. This is carrot chapati, and you use milk to knead your flour. See, or to knead your dough. You see how beautiful they look? They look so yummy, so colorful. These are our chapatis, you can see. Very beautiful and colorful at the same time. Thank you for watching, good people. Let me know where you're watching from. Comment, like, and even share.